Hi students, so welcome to the next session. Before starting problems based on union and intersection, small information. This month on 18th November, we have a competitive exam. Now number of questions is 30. Each question carries 1 mark. We need to answer only one option. There is a 4 options will be there. Only one option you need to send. You need to send through WhatsApp. And how to answer the question is clear from your material. You have to write like this. Question number 1, for example, option A like this. Question number 2, if you got option D, we have to write in the paper, take a snap and send through WhatsApp number. You can send to my WhatsApp number, that is 8722956649 through my WhatsApp number. After test, the timing is test timings 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Only 1 hour. In this, you should write mathematics and biology. Half an hour for mathematics, half an hour for biology. Who are computer science? Only for them mathematics only. Okay, na? Now immediately before 10:15 a.m. you need to send key to this number. How to send means just writing all options. For question number 1, options, take one snap and just write your name on that. Send through WhatsApp number, you will evaluate that one, then you will send the results through SMS. Clear? And syllabus for this. For mathematics, syllabus, trigonometric identities, complete concept and multiple submultiple angles, submultiple angles, transformation formula, and trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations actually for PU is not given, but competitive purpose is required. This also finished. Trigonometric equations. Except properties of triangles and heights and distance, remaining complete chapter. 2 parts we done in that. Total 3 parts trigonometry. First one is identities. Second one related to trigonometric equations. Third one we done properties of triangles and heights and distance. 3 parts for competitive exam. But 3 parts they did in competitive syllabus also. But except properties of triangles and heights and distance, remaining 2 trigonometric identities first part and trigonometric equations. Those 2 for the test syllabus. Now timings is very clear. 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. You need to submit the key before 10:15 a.m. only. After 10:15 if you submitted, that is a delayed, you won't get result through SMS. Clear? Hi students, now coming to, in yesterday we discussed N of A union B formula, N of A union B union C also. Some basic formulas we discussed. Now based on that examples. Example 1, just 2 marks important. If capital X and Y are 2 sets such that X union Y has 50 elements plus comma x has 28 elements and y has 32 elements, comma, does x intersection y have question mark. Now it is clearly first formula, addition theorem. X and y are the two sets such that x union has how many elements? 50 elements. Why? N of x union y equal to 50. X having 28, that is n of x equal to 28. N of y is how much? 32. We need to find n of x intersection y value, the number of elements in x intersection y. We know that already n of a and b like that, n of x union y. N of x union y equal to what? N of a, that is n of x plus n of b, it means n of y. N of a intersection b means n of x intersection y. N of x union y what? 50. N of x is 28. N of y is 32. This value we don't know. I'll interchange both. N of x intersection y equal to 28 plus 32, that is 60. Plus 50 becomes minus 50. So n of x intersection y is equal to how much? 10 is the value. Next. Question number 2. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Mathematics or physics. Full stop. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Full stop. How many teach physics? We need to find out the number of teachers teach physics. We need to find out. Here the condition wise, I will take for mathematics is A set, for physics is a B set. Let A is set of teachers teach mathematics. The consideration is required, compulsory. Next, B is set of teachers teach physics. First data. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or R means what? Union symbol. So, N of A union B given, that is 20. 12 teach mathematics, that is N of A. 4 teach both physics and mathematics, and means intersection. So, N of A intersection B also given, that is 4. What we need to find out? How many teach physics? N of B we need to find out. This value we don't know. Now already we know the formula for N of A union B formula. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A union B 20, N of A 12, N of B we don't know. N of A intersection B is 4. 20, 12 minus 4, that is 8, plus n of B. Send this 8 this side. 20 minus 8 equal to n of B. From this, n of B is equal to 12. The number of teachers teach physics is 12. 12 teachers will teach. Okay, example 3. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? That means we need to find intersection value. If you take A is a set of students playing cricket. Now clearly they given each student likes to play at least one, means you need to play, every student will attempt the game. That's why 35 students is a total students is equal to union value also. Okay, na? So let A is set of students like to play cricket. B is set of students like to play football. Here n of U and n of A both are same because each student likes to play at least one of these two games, means every student will play. That's why it's a part of that. So here n of universal set and n of A union B both are equal only here. And 24 students like to play cricket. 24. How many students like to play football? 16. We need to find out n of A intersection B. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Now we know that same n of A union B formula. N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A and B 35. N of A is 24 plus 16 minus n of A intersection B. Interchange both. N of A intersection B equal to how much this is? 40 minus 35, that is 5 students like to play both. This is the answer. 2 marks important. Coming to next one. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 150 as taking orange juice, and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. Both means and. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Okay, na? Neither nor we need to find out. Neither nor means either A or B. A or B means A union B. A union B whole dash is complementary, is only neither apple juice nor orange juice. Okay, na? A union B whole dash is the neither nor will come. Generally A union B means what? Either A or B. First I will consider U is a universal set. And A is set of students taking apple juice. And B is set of students taking orange juice. Now given data, n of universal set is given, total number of students 400. Next 100 were listed as taking apple juice, that's why n of A given 100. 150 as taking orange juice, n of B also given. and 75 were listed as taking both apple juice and orange juice. That's why n of a intersection b also given, that is 75. We need to find n of neither means not a and not b, or complementary is nor, not also you can take, that is a union changes to intersection. Clear? This value we need to find out. Before that, find n of a union b. What is n of a union b formula? N of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. N of a 100, n of b 150, n of a intersection b 75. Now 100 plus 150 minus 75, 75. So 175 we got. Now why I am finding? Have a reason. We need to find n of neither a nor b. If you take whole complementary, whole dash complements, what will you get? N of a union b whole dash. Now n of a dash means how to write u minus a. As for that, this we can write n of u minus n of a union b. N of u how much? 400. N of a intersection b is 175. If you subtract this, what will you get? 225 is the required value. Here union only one, not intersection. So n of a union b is 175. That value substitute n of u is 400, is 175. Remaining is 225. They are not taking apple juice and orange juice. Coming to next question. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. 50 are exposed to chemical C2. 30 both chemical C1 and C2. This is the given data. We need to find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not C2, chemical C2 but not C1, chemical C1 or chemical C2. For this, which chemicals is reacting, they are exposing their skin disorder, we need to find out. The total number of individuals, how many? 200. That's why n of universal set is total 200. I will take let A is set of persons reacting for chemical C1. B is a set of persons or individuals, no problem, reacting for chemical C2. N of A is given. Next, first 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. That's why N of A is 120. For chemical C2, what? 50 members are reacting or exposed to the skin disorder, and 30 both the chemical C1 and C2. That's why N of A intersection B is 30. We need to following these three terms. Okay. Now before that, we need to find n of A intersection B. We don't know that values. We know already. N of A and B, later we can find out. No issue. Now, first question. The number of chemical C1 but not chemical C2. That means we need to find out n of A minus B. Chemical C1 is A, chemical C2 is B. Already we have formula n of A minus n of A intersection B. Reason A minus B we can write A minus A intersection B. N of A are taking that symbol, that's all. N of A how much? 120. N of A intersection B is 30. How much? 90. Next, chemical C2 but not C1, that is B minus A. N of B minus A, how to find? N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of B how much? 50 minus 30, that is 20. Third one, chemical C1 or chemical C2, that means chemical C1A, R means union, chemical C2 is B, N of A and B. Formula what? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A is 120, N of B is 50, N of A intersection B is 30. 50 minus 30, 20. 20 plus 120 is 140 is the required value. Question number 1, exercise 1.6. X and Y are two sets such that N of X given, N of Y given, N of X union Y also given. We need to find N of X intersection Y. Use formula, will get answer easily. Homework, everyone complete. Second question also homework only. If X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 18 elements, that means N of X union Y is equal to 18 is given. Next, X has 8 elements, N of X also 8 is given, and Y has 15 elements, N of Y also given. Then how many elements does X intersection Y have? Here also we need to find N of X intersection Y only. Okay, this is also homework question. Try. Doubt is there? Send through my WhatsApp. Next, third one, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Now this is a given data. From this data we need to find both, means we need to find A like A intersection B. Now coming to the solution. Here the total group of people are what? 400. Here N of A in and B, N of universal set both are same. Okay na. 250 speak Hindi, 200 speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Clear? Now here N of universal set, before that consider let A is set of people speak Hindi. B is set of people speak English. Total is having is never exceeding that. That's why N of universal set and N of A union B both are same. That is 400. Number of people speak Hindi. How many? How many are there? 250. Number of people speak English is 200. We need to find N of both can speak A intersection B. We need to find out. Now we have formula. We know that N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. n of a and b how much? 400. n of a how much? 250 plus 200 minus n of a intersection b. Interchange n of a intersection b equal to, this is 450, send 400 right side is minus 400. The number of people speak both means 50 people is the answer. Next, question number 4. This is also homework. It's very easy. Direct data is given. If capital S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, that means n of S is 21, comma T has 32 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, comma how many elements does S union T have? Given data is n of S given, n of T given, n of S intersection T also given. We need to find n of S union T, like A and B we need to find out. This is also homework. Question number 5. If X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements and X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements, comma how many elements does Y have? N of Y we need to find out. Come to the solution. X has how many elements? 40 elements. N of X is 40. N of X union Y is 60. N of X intersection Y is 10. We need to find N of Y. We know the formula already. N of X union Y equal to N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. Substitute the given data. N of X union Y 60, N of X 40, N of Y we don't know. This is 10. 60, 40 minus 10, 30 plus N of Y. Send this 30 this side. 60 minus 30, that is 30 equal to N of Y, that is N of Y is equal to 30 is the answer. Next, coming to question number 6. In a group of 70 people, comma 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. One of the two drinks, full stop. How many people like both coffee and tea? We need to find A intersection B, N of A intersection B, we need to find out. In this, a group of 70 people, okay, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea. The statement on given, each person likes at least one of the two drinks. That means in the 70 people, they will like any one this, either A or B. That is the meaning. That's why here N of, before that consider let A is set of people drink coffee or like coffee, no problem. B is set of people drink tea. Here at least any one drink they need to take. That's why here N of universal set, N of A union B both are same. That's why that is 70. 37 like coffee, that is N of A, like or drink. 37. N of B, how many like tea? 52. We need to find N of A intersection B. Same, we know the formula. Same concept ma. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A union B is 70. N of A is 37. N of B is 52. Minus N of A intersection B, interchange. N of A intersection B equal to 37 plus 52 is 89 minus 70. What is the answer? 19. So 19 persons are liking both. Next, seventh one. In a group of 65 people, comma, 40 like cricket, comma, 10 like both cricket and tennis, full stop. How many like tennis only and not cricket? Question mark. That is one question. Next. How many like tennis? In these two questions are there. How many like only tennis, not cricket? How many like cricket? This is 3 marks important question. Coming to the solution. General notation here. 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. Only they given about the data. Here 65 people is a part of A union B. So like means they can like either cricket or tennis in this overplaying. That's why here let I am taking, let A is set of people like cricket. B is set of people like tennis. Consideration is compulsory, ma. It's important. Now here universal set and n of A union B both are same. That is 65. Reason they can like either cricket or tennis condition wise. 65 people and n of A, the number of people like cricket 40, 10 like both cricket and tennis. So n of A intersection B is 10, n of B we don't know. That only how many like tennis. Now we know the formula. N of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A union B is 65. This is 40. N of B we don't know. We need to find out. N of A intersection B is 10. 65 equal to 40 minus 10, 30. N of B. Send this 30 this side. 65 minus 30 is 35. The number of people like tennis is 35. From this, we need to find how many like tennis only but not cricket. That means only tennis means B. Not A means minus A will take. N of B minus A. B but not A. How to write this one? N of B minus N of A intersection B. That's why I find the value N of B starting only. N of B how much? 35. N of A intersection B is 10. 35 minus 10 is 25. 25 people like only tennis. Why I consider here N of U universal set and N of union A and B both are same means general condition N of A and B compulsory less than or equal to N of U only. Because A union B is a subset of universal set. That's why if you not consider, what will happen? Here N of B we got 35 ma. Substitute here 40 plus 35, 75 minus 10. Here we will consider only 65 will get equal. If not consider, you will get more than that. That's why A union B is always subset of universal set. We need to consider in this case universal set and A union B values both are same. Next. In this exercise, last question, 8th one. In a committee, comma, 50 people speak French, twenty speak Spanish, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. Full stop. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Okay, in a committee 50 are speak French, 20 speak Spanish, 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one means either A or B or can both. Reason, as per Venn diagram you can understand what is the meaning of A and B. This is A minus B. This is A intersection B. This is B minus A. This complete part is A union B. In this, only A is there, only A possibilities, only B possibilities is there, and both also. That's why at least one means what? Greater than or equal to 1. They can speak only one language, more than one means what? 2. Either one or both. That's why A union B also like statement. At least one of these means union only will come, because in that all will cover only one and both also. That's why here they not mention the symbol union, but we need to identify based on the concept at least one of two languages means either A or B. First consider, let A is set of people speak French. B is set of people speak Spanish. First 50 people speak, that is N of A 50. 20 speak Spanish, and both means N of A intersection B 10. We need to find N of A union B. We know the formula. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A is 50, N of B is 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10, 10. 10 plus 50 is 60 is the at least one of two languages they will speak.